Brought to you by DistroKid, the easiest and fastest way to get your music on all the major platforms. Ever been on Instagram or Apple Music and see a song where the lyrics scroll in perfect time with the music? DistroKid lets any artist automatically create and upload sync lyrics. To do this, head to the Goodies tab, click Enhance Your Music, and you will find lyrics and a couple other ways to enhance your music. If you haven't signed up already, use the code below and save 7% off your first year. Oh my gosh, this box is massive. This is the Moog Sound Studio 3 bundle, which includes the Mother 32, DFAM, and Subharmonicon. Let's flip this baby over. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. I'm so excited. Shout out to our friends at sounds.com for making this gear available to us. Fast free shipping on everything. You will find links below to all the gear that I talk about on this channel, including this awesome bundle. So let's open this up, but wait, what's in the box? Mother 32, DFAM, Subharmonicon, custom desk cover, 3-tire rack, patch cable organizer, 4-channel summing mixer, Phillips head screwdriver, educational patch book, exploration, games, and art poster. I mean, this is literally the only reason we want this, right? For the poster. Just kidding. Moog really does have the best posters, though. They're always so aesthetic. I'm struggling over here. Hold up. Come on now. Come on. Ah, the good old shaky. Almost there. Ta-da! So this is definitely a gateway drug. If you've been thinking about getting into modular, there's no better way to do it than with semi-modular synths. And some people might tell you otherwise. They might be like, no, you should start with an oscillator and an envelope and this so you can learn what to do. But that's like, you know, pretty complicated at first. And you don't know which oscillator you're gonna like. You're just gonna probably end up buying and selling a bunch of gear, which happens a lot with modular. But with this, you kind of have like a starting point, because the beautiful thing about these modules is that they sound gorgeous without having to be patched at all. So you don't need to plug any cables to actually make anything work. Like on their own, they're gonna sound gorgeous. But when you patch them, that's when things start getting cool and crazy. So let's get everything out of here because I'm just too excited. All right, we got the synthesizer box. Synthesizer box. Let's find out what's in here. Probably power cables, I'm assuming. Yep. We have the 4-channel summing mixer. So this is for use if you're going to be using it as a 3-tire rack, which a lot of people normally are. I already have like a bunch of Eurorack, so I'm going to be putting this in my 9U 84 HP case, which is empty right now. It has been waiting to be filled with these beautiful creatures. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna load these up into my case. But first, let's see what else you get in this bundle. So yeah, so the 4-channel summing mixer is so you don't need any other mixer or power supply. So like you plug in your power through here. Like how cool is this? So this is the little summing mixer, well built, like everything Moog, sturdy. You got the main volume knob. We also have a headphone out and an A and B left and right, plus summing throughs. Cool little device if that's the route that you're planning on going with. Again, this is probably the most common route that people are going to take with this device. But like I said, this is not our first rodeo. We have more Eurorack that's going to work with this stuff, and it's going to be awesome because now I can run these through my effects. Like, it's going to be dope. So let's start one by one. Let's start with the DFAM. Beautiful. Drummer from Another Mother. So these have all been out for some time now, but Moog just introduced the Studio 3 bundle to like give you some extra goodies, make it a little easier and accessible to get all 3 when they're not in stock. Beautiful as always. Wood side panels, well built. You guys already know, it's Moog. It's a classic for a reason. So we got the Mother 32. The Mother 32 sounds amazing. There's no need to talk about the Mother, like most of you guys already know how awesome the Mother is. I'm gonna be sequencing this with my other sequencers, but it does have a built-in keyboard. So again, you don't need anything else just to use this device. And last but not least, the Subharmonicon. This is probably the strangest of the 3, in my opinion. It can definitely get experimental and beautiful, but I feel like it takes a little more work to get it to work with other devices. I feel like it was kind of hard making a melody and then trying to add other stuff on top of it. So we're gonna see, probably this time, you know, we're gonna dig a little more deep into it. I'm hopeful for it. It did sound beautiful the short time that I messed with it. All right, let's see what else is in here. Welcome to the Moog family. Oh, so we have our 3-tire rack. For those that are going to be putting the rack together. And you can buy all these things separately, but it's nice that they created this bundle for people that are like, hey, that was my plan to begin with. So cool that they made this bundle. Plus look, Goodies! Where to begin? 3-tire dust cover. How fancy. I love like all the aesthetics that Moog has been doing for the past few years. Like, this stuff is just adorable. A note of gratitude. As unexpected material shortages and supply chain limitations continue to impact operations here at Moog Factory, we want to thank you for your patience if you experienced delays delivery of your Moog Sound Studio. So I know these were sold out for a while. They are in stock at sounds.com now, so check them out. Hopefully they don't sell out too soon, but hey, they're trying their best, guys. Everyone is. So we got the dust cover, which is nice. You just put it right on top of your tire. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Look at this. The attention to detail, the little Moog sign. How cute. We have, what is this? Let's find out together. More just cool stuff by Moog, guys. Like, how cool are these posters? You already know our room is going to be looking so fly after this video. How cool are these posters? All of the Moog devices throughout the years. How cool is this? And then, of course, something else on the other side, because Moog is not lazy, and the artist that they have right now is amazing. Guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. I don't know which side to pick. This is going to be such a hard decision. Don't forget to register your device. Don't throw this out. Register your device. They're always doing like giveaways and stuff after you register your device, so definitely do that. Also, you know, you get the warranty for it, so yeah. And then you can use it as a postcard when you're done registering. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Synth exploration cards. Let's open them. Moog is really going above and beyond on the cuteness. Like, they know that we're a bunch of nerds and we appreciate all these cute little aesthetic things. And they were right. Guys, how cute. How cute is this? When you're having fun, you've won. This is pure Moog philosophy. Circuitous connection starting guide. Oh, so it's like a game that you play with patching. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. What? Oh, that's freaking awesome, guys. So like, this is actually like giving you like patch ideas. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, we're definitely gonna try this. This is like taking the manual to a whole different level. This is like Creative Manual Moog Edition. That's so cool that they came up with this. I guarantee you these are gonna be a classic one day. Let's not forget our instruction manual, because then we're like, what are we doing again? What is it that was supposed to go where? Anything else in here? Yes. Screwdriver. Oh, it actually says Moog on it. How cool is this? Do I sound a little hype? I am a little hype. Because everything's just so freaking adorable. Like, and then the little thing for the mother and moving stuff. So that's it in this little baggie. Let's put our cards back. Moog sticker, of course. A nice amount of patch cables because, you know, we need to patch. But again, we don't need to patch. We can patch. Patching is a choice. Made it to 3.5. And look at these cool 1/4-inch cables, yo. How gorgeous are these? Last but not least, more posters? How many more do we have? I thought this was the last one, but we have more stuff over here. So, let's check this out. I mean, why would you buy these separately? When you can get like so many cool posters and stuff when you don't. But actually, each one individually comes with at least one posters. But if you don't have any of the Moogs and you know, you were thinking of doing this, because like, this is a lot of people's plan, getting the 3 Moogs and stacking them up. So if you are thinking of doing that, why not just do it this way? This is so cute. And then step by step, how to attach, how to put everything together. Like, this is the cutest manual I've ever seen. These are so nice that it's like, hey, I need to like buy a frame and frame these, like for real. This is art, guys. Art. Pop out studio friendly assembly. Just like more fun activities. Look at this. Mini Moog Factory and pop-out frames. Like a little box or something? How cute is all this? And then last but not least, our exploration patch book. So this is not really a manual, but wow, look, they made it in color this time. Oh wow, this is a collectible now. These are all collectibles. Okay, so how cute is this? This just gives you patch ideas when you're first starting off. Plus, like, you know, a very comprehensive look at the module. Easy starter guides if this is the first modular synth that you've encountered in your life. Pretty much explaining what everything does. Again, a manual. But besides being a manual, you also have patch ideas. So it tells you in which specific way to put your knobs, what to plug into what to make what specific sound. Like, how cool is this? And then you also have little notes, you know, space to write your own notes. And then you also have empty pages where you can make your own patches, write down where the knobs were when you made a beautiful patch and you're like, oh, I never want to forget this patch. So now you have an actual place where you can save your patch notes without having to like go through the trouble of printing them out and doing all that. So yeah, shout out to Moog for just like taking stuff to the next level, not only like aesthetically, but in usefulness. And then we have our user manuals for the subharmonicon, the DFAM, and the Mother 32. So beautiful exploration patch book plus individual, like way more in-depth manuals for each device. And that's pretty much it, but like, what more do you want? Okay, wait. Pull tabs back to lift divider. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What does this mean? What else could be in here? Oh, this. They had to put open on it because it's like, don't forget about this last piece. Of course. Our patch cable holder. I love how they made this in mind with like using it with the tire. Like, this is literally all you need to get started, guys. These 3 devices will make lots of cool music. Obviously, running them through effects is gonna be like a whole nother thing, but just on their own, you know, that's really all you need. And if you're not using hardware effects, like, you can just take that final mix, throw it in your DAW, and add effects that way. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these 3 devices and load them into Betsy, my 9U 84HP case. So let's do that and let's make some music.